Hey guys, we're back for Keystone Mod 2, practice test numbers 12 and 13. This is a good old stem and leaf plot, so let's review stem and leaf plots. It says, the number of customers at a sub shop is recorded on the stem and leaf plot below. They even give us a key here to show us that 4 on the left side of the bar and 7 on the right side of the bar represents 47 customers. I always tell my students, the column on the left represents our tens, and the numbers on the right represents our ones. So if we have 3 tens, that's 30, and 4 ones, that's 4, 34, 35, 39. So a stem and leaf plot is just a nice organized way to represent a bigger group of numbers. Okay, now, what do they tell me down here? The range. Let me highlight that. The range of the data. Now let's remember what range means. Highest minus lowest. Highest minus lowest. This is not interquartile range. This is just straight up range. Well, the range of the data is 25. So when I take the highest minus the lowest, I get 25. Okay. So they're asking me, what number of customers is represented by the question mark in the plot? Well, let's find the question mark. The question mark up here is right here. So that's the ones column here with a tens of 5. So 50-something, this is a blank, question mark, minus my lowest value, 34, I'm throwing my pen, has to equal 25. So 50 what minus 34 has to equal 25. Well, first off, there's only one answer here in the 50s. So let's see if it works. I'm thinking it's letter D. Let me try 59. 59 minus 34, does that make 25? Let's check it out. 59 minus 34, bingo. So, really, I did all that work. Now again, I'm talking to my smart, savvy test takers. Had I looked at these answers right off the bat and seen where that question mark was sitting, I would have known it was 50-something. I could have probably thrown all these non-50 answers out. But who knows? On the real Keystone, they might have 2 of them in the 50s, so it's probably a good idea to know that when you take the highest minus the lowest, it gives you your range. Okay. Question 13. Let's take a look at it. Oh, another range. This is interesting. This is a different range, though. Okay, when you're in data analysis and they ask for range, that's highest minus lowest. When you're not in data analysis and they talk about range, it's a little bit different. They're talking about the y values. So when they say in this problem, what is the range of the function graph below, they're asking, where are the y values situated on this graph? Now, as you notice, this is actually just a segment. So let me highlight this. So I'm here on this line segment to here. Here's what I like to do, and this makes my life so much easier. I like to highlight the endpoints of the line segment, okay? So if I look at the ordered pair for this point right here, it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks to me like -6, 0. And this guy over here looks to be 9 on the x and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the y. Am I seeing that right? My eyes are tricking me here. Yeah, 9, 7. Okay, then what I do, once I have those labeled, I circle, circle, circle the y's, range, y values. And I go lowest to highest. In my class, I call this fancy notation. So if my y values are situated from lowest of 0 to highest of 7, lowest to highest and everything in between, all my y values are between 0 and 7. They are less than or equal to 7 because they don't go any higher, but they are greater than or equal to 0 because they don't go any lower. I always tell my students the reason we always point the signs left when we go from lowest to highest is because if you cover this up, you should have a true statement. Y is less than or equal to 7. That's true. If you cover this up, you should also have a true statement. And if you flip this guy around 180, everything would flip, and it makes sense. Y is greater than or equal to 0. But we write it in one line because it's nice, it's neat, and it's concise. So my y values or my range go from 0 to 7, everything in between. So I'm going to choose letter D. Letter D. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video.